Việt khoái thế nhỉ? Việt Nam lâu chưa? Việt Nam lâu chưa?
Mấy ngày thôi.
Mấy ngày thôi mà nói được tiếng Việt khoái thế.
Made it on the bus to Hai Phong. We haven't visited our family in Vietnam for quite a few years, so we wanted to pay them a visit while we were in North Vietnam. Hai Phong's on the way to Hat Long Bay, so we thought it made the most sense to stop off along the way, and this is where our dad's side of the family lives and who we stayed with for the night. Even though I don't do it often enough, I do love visiting, as not only does it force me to practice my Vietnamese, it also reminds me of the contrasting lifestyles between Vietnam and the UK. That evening, our family gathered at my uncle's house to have a special hot pot dinner to welcome us. My cousin works for a company that makes paper party blowers, and she would take them home to do and get the family to help her, which will earn her extra money. So after dinner, myself, Julia and my auntie got stuck in to give her a helping hand. No wonder Vietnamese people like karaoke though, if they sing from the stage. It's a bit loud to be hearing this every day. That evening we took our niece's nephew and cousins out to Aeon, which is the largest shopping centre in Hai Phong. There was literally so much to do, such as shopping, food and entertainment, which kept us busy for the whole night.
Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Wow, yours is...
What is yours? Sit.
Wow. Cái khôn nó, quả này nó khôn lắm.
Con gì?
Có thử gì nữa không?
Ngon.
Không chưa làm bài mà thích đi chơi.
Cháu con với ba. If you remember at the beginning of the video, I was lugging around this massive bag. Everyone kept asking me why I packed so much, but the bag was actually filled with clothes to give to our family, which is a very common thing for Western Vietnamese people to do if they're visiting Vietnam. So here's the moment we gave it to our family.
Trông như kiểu chả cái gì vậy? Cái này mi mặc vừa này. Cái gì ấy? Kiểu gì ấy? Đàn bà nhưng mà còn đàn ông đấy này cho chị Thủy đâu rồi? Chị Thủy đâu rồi? Cái này cho chị Thủy đẹp này. Cái này được. Chị ơi, đấy có cả áo. Chị Thủy hợp với màu này có cả áo. Ôi là váy tiếp rồi đẹp. Thủy ơi. Ồ, lấy lên cái mũ rồi. Yes sir. Yes sir. Hello. What's your name? My name is Tuấn Mạnh.
How old are you? How old are you?
I don't understand.
How old are you?
I'm 10 for
14.
14.
Yeah.
Has so beautiful.
Yeah.
So beautiful. Yes.
The hat is beautiful. Do you like it?
Yes.
Yeah, you like
Yes.
it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Con mà khác mà.
Nghe nghe bạn anh thì
He loves his hat.
cao mà. Yes, sir. Có nào có tem mày mặc đấy. Đây, bánh bao cái này. Đây,
He
đây.
likes it.
Đây là đặc sản của Hải Phòng.
Đặc sản Hải Phòng.
Là không một chỗ nào có ngoài Hải Phòng cả.
Có.
Hải Dương có. Hải Dương à? Mà nó ít hơn. Ông ơi, mọi người ăn cơm.
Mời chị mời cháu.
Mời cả nhà. Mời cả nhà. Cơm chưa? Cơm. Mời ba ăn cơm. Mời ăn cơm.
We said goodbye to our family as we continued on with our travels. We got a private car hire which drove us from Hai Phong straight to Hat Long, which took around 1 hour. We've just travelled. How long did it take us to get here? From Hai Phong. Yeah, your mouth was fully open and you're snoring. Yeah. Tomorrow we're gonna go on a Hat Long Bay boat tour, which cost us I think around £75. So yeah, now we're just gonna chill out and then hopefully go find food later. I'm so tired, I know. Oh, time to rest. Bye. So we checked into our room in Hat Long Bay, which was £4 a night, and we're only staying for 1 night, so we wasn't too bothered about how the room was, but it's a very basic room, but it's decent for £4 a night. That's £2 each. So yeah, we checked in, put our bags down, had a bit of a nap. Oh, is that wait, where are we? Hat Long Bay? Yeah. What's that? Sun World? Oh, but look at the sun. Wait, it's only 5:30, but the sunset. Is this where you get the cable cars? Looks like it. Oh, you can't really tell. But you can't see the sunset very well. But yeah, we're just walking, exploring. Oh, I didn't expect it to be like this. Wow, we thought we was getting in a taxi and he pulls up in this motorbike. Wait. Oh, is that? Wait, I need to put my feet somewhere. Here, you put it on there. Where? Vâng. And I've got a dress on. We got a ride to a night market which wasn't worth going to, so spent the rest of the night aimlessly getting motorbike rides to try and find something to do. We must have been there out of season as it was surprisingly quiet and most restaurants were empty, so we got food and decided to call it an early night. Me and Julie have just woke up. Oh, I woke up about 3:15 because I kept hearing you bloody moving.
It's not me, it's the bed.
But still.
How?
But anyways, we've not adjusted to the time. We plan to go catch the sunset.
Sunrise.
Oh yeah, sunrise at 6:15. Ow, I've got a spot in my eyebrow and it well.
Oh.
Yeah.
We need to see which way the sun is rising.
Well, how are you gonna see that?
Oh, you need to work out which way the sun is rising, I mean.
Yeah. And go walk and find the sunrise. See that. I need to get my clothes washed. What's that, like £3?
I bet they're my tissues down there.
That's disgusting. Why didn't you take it out?
Well, I didn't know, did I?
No, it's stuck to your jacket after you got it washed. Our first wash in Vietnam.
With my crusty tissues.
That is gross. You need to check before you... Mate, there was no point you washing it, look at it. Oh my gosh. You need to put that back in the wash. That is disgusting. Or you snotty tissue everywhere. So how much would have that been altogether?
What's that, 230?
Oh, man was... Oh my god. Oh my god. Julie, that is disgusting.
And no fucking sleeves. Mate.
You need to put that back in the wash. Oh my gosh.
I'm not in the mood for this right now.
No, that is actually hilarious. We got given some gifts off our nephew. Look, it looked like a package of stuff that you can't bring over. It looks so dodgy.
I think it's like waffles.
Is it?
Yeah.
Can't open that.
Bless him.
That is cute though. We're on our way to our boat.
Nice to meet you. My name is Tony. I'm a tour guide on the boat.
Lovely to meet you, Tony.
Can you speak Vietnamese?
Yeah.
Really?
Vâng.
Oh, okay. Hai chị sống ở đâu?
Ở bên Anh.
Ở bên England.
Vâng.
Okay.
Ui giời.
Lo hành lý này, mang cả thế giới đi nữa.
Cảm ơn anh.
Ok, đi thôi.
Cảm ơn anh. We're in Hai Phong Bay, about to get on our boat for a one-night stay. Oh my gosh, got too many bags. Try not to fall. Huh? I hope it's left. Oh no. Is it? Oh, it is. Scared. Who is that? Oh my god. Oh, I know, why didn't we get on this? Why couldn't we get on that? 111 as our room. It was meant to be angel number. Well, definitely my angel number. We're finally on the move. Going to our room. Okay. 111. If I'm being completely honest, we hadn't done our research because it was a spontaneous decision to go on an overnight boat cruise, as I'd been to Hai Long Bay before but I didn't do the overnight stay. So we ended up going with Hai Long Lotus Cruise, which we booked directly for our hostel when we arrived. We picked the cheapest option, which was around £75 each for the 2-day, 1-night stay. This included all our food but no drinks. I would say if you're looking for a more chilled cruise to just enjoy the views, then this one's fine. But if you're looking for a more younger party crowd, then we heard that Hai Long Castaways is where you'd find that vibe.
Chill for a bit. Oh, I think lunch is at 12.
Yeah, you need to put that on. Cool, put it on. You need it, I bet it does spill down you.
I'll be fine.
What kind of soup is this? Crab soup with mushrooms? Soup starter. And now we have rice, fish, chicken, prawns, I think veggies, summer rolls, and side salad. But we're enjoying it with beautiful views of Hai Long Bay. Cute. Bon appetit. What do you rate the lunch out of 10? Honest opinion.
Honest opinion. With the veg, it brought it up to like 6.5. What would you say?
You didn't like the fish. The fish had passion fruit and sauce, and Julie was not a fan.
Yeah, I just feel like I wouldn't have put them to taste together.
The veg was nice, but I didn't even touch that salad with mayo on it like that.
So you've never had salad with mayo?
Not just like that. No. Just dry lettuce with mayo. I am not eating that. The prawns was alright. Prawns are just standard boiled. Chicken was a bit saucy.
Too sausage. Should we go up? Let these guys
clean up a piece of that. Hello. Oh, this is pretty. Golf? Where's he whacking it to though? We're on the Hat Long Day cruise. Staying over on the boat for one night. Just currently on top deck, taking in the views. How pretty. We've picked a really nice day to go on it because it's actually really warm.
And do you know what the meaning of Halong Bay, everyone? No?
Come down, come down, come down.
Come down. What is come down?
Come down.
Dragon!
Okay, you can say that. Actually, if you can speak Chinese, you will know the meaning of Halong Bay. Long, that means dragon. Ha, that means landing down. Yeah, the meaning of Halong Bay is descending dragon. Yeah, I would tell everyone the legend about this paradise. 1,000 years ago, when the Vietnamese were forming this country, they had to fight back against many invaders. At the time when the Vietnamese army force very poor and couldn't fight back, after witnessing the world out here.
We're going up to see the surprise cave, and it's meant to take around an hour before we have to go back to get some exercise in. Yes, finally, because we've been eating too much. Look at these arms. One thing we wasn't prepared for was how packed it was going to be. There were so many people inside, which kind of ruined the experience. Look at Julie's caves. This is mad. Where we're going to hike to the top. There. It looks quite busy. All the people. We can get in the water later. Pull up, pull up. Wow, it's busy though. No wonder Hat Long was dead. They're all here on this one island.
Okay, everyone, and now we take it off the live vest, please.
How long will we wait for?
40 minutes.
We're hiking up to the top. Shame on. My legs are dead already. Oh my gosh. Where's Julie? Oh my god.
Excuse me, is it a long way up?
How long?
Maybe I think half.
Halfway.
Okay.
Is it good though?
Almost halfway.
Does it look good? Oops.
Very beautiful.
Okay.
view. It's worth it. It's all worth it.
Okay, good. Wow, this is killing me. Got my Crocs in sports mode. I think we need a little break. Wow, look at it.
My hand hurts.
From what, grabbing the rope? We're halfway up. We're ready to go again. Come on. Oh, shit, man. Whew. Oh my gosh. I think we finally made it to the top. Exhausted. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow, look at the views though. Human traffic jam. What did you get?
These are cool. This one. Have you seen a shell like that before?
Pretty.
I think it's cooking.
Okay, so everyone, cheers. Cheers. And wait, hold on. This is the fish sauce. In here, this is fish sauce mixed with garlic, chili, sugar, and coriander. Okay, and how you can eat that? You push on the fish sauce, open your mouth, buy this.
Bon appetit.
Do it.
The next morning we were up early and enjoyed our breakfast with a view of Hat Long Bay. Apparently there was a Tai Chi class on the top deck but we didn't make it up in time. After breakfast we went on a boat tour to see the limestone mountains up close. Can you do it?
It's so hard.
You're gonna fall back.
Are we going round in circles?
Sao chị làm nhìn dễ quá. That would be me and you
Where are you from? Are you from the UK?
Yeah.
Okay.
From Manchester.
From Manchester. Excellent. Plays it right at the beginning. Makes sense. Netherlands.
chaos.
$20K
Yeah.
to feed it. Aww. Look at the way it's just sat there.
What's been your favourite bit about this trip?
Watching the sunset.
Yeah, that was actually really nice.
That was nice.
Where are we off to now?
Bar. So Gatbar's known for monkeys.
Monkey Island.
So that is Monkey Island or not?
Yeah, I think that's Monkey Island.
I don't even like monkeys.
No, you don't have to go see the monkeys. When I went with Kim, that's when the little boy that was with us, he got bit on his
Yeah,
arm.
see, I don't want to go.
He got
Bit on his arm, why?
I think the monkey tried grabbing something out of its hand.
Just waiting now for coffee for our ferry to take us to Gatbar Island, which is known as Monkey Island. We seen a monkey today while we was kayaking in Hat Long Bay, which was cute. But I'm actually scared of monkeys, so I'm actually not bothered about seeing anymore. I'm just about to board this ferry, if you could call it a ferry. Green carpet material. Go on and walk on the green carpet to Gatbar. I feel like I'm gonna trip. I can't see where I'm walking because I've got so much stuff on me. Oh my gosh. Is this meant to be a ferry? Yeah. Your cheeks are out. I actually can't see where I'm walking. This is actually, I don't think I want to go up another level. Oh my gosh, that was mad. Hat Long Bay. I'm scared. I hope nothing fell out of my bag then. Shit, this is heavy.
No, I need to offload some stuff I've got.
And then in there's the national park.
What you get?
God, this bus sounds like it's never going to make it there. Just checked into our hostel room in Gatbar Buffalo Hostel. It's not bad. How much was this? £18? A night. More service. It's alright for £18 a night. That's quite on the expensive side though, isn't it?
Yeah, but it's a private room. £20 a night.
Time to go get out our bikes. Oh, he's actually put it down for us already. Is it high enough though? Oh yeah. Wait, where's my... Did they not have... Anh không có cái ấy để phone à? Oh. So how am I gonna know where, how? How am I gonna know?
We need to kind of look now and have a rough.
I think it's just one straight road though. Anyways, good luck to us.
fucking, we need it.
Yeah, everywhere we've been going has had so many tourists, so it's nice to finally get somewhere and it be quite quiet. Me and Julie's been wanting bang sale, so we asked the local and she suggested this place. We've just cycled here. It must be popular because there's no tables available. So then, are you going to ask? I've never seen that before where you have to wrap it. It's generous with the fillings. And this is a portion for 2 people.
Yeah, don't know how much it is though. Wouldn't ask. Probably get scammed.
Yeah, I meant to ask. But yeah, it looks crispy. Inside it looks like there's pork and bean sprouts, some sort of herbs.
Is it nice? Just thinking how these are.
I've never had it with the wrapping. What do you think? Nice. Is it nice? Wow, this restaurant is very bare. The look mum is actually good as well. I was expecting it to be flavourless. But
This is the most flavoured one we've had.
yeah, you can tell because they actually put like the chilli in it. Do you know the others? It just tasted really sweet. I like nothing to it. What would you rate it out of 10? An 8. That's nice. Because the pancakes are actually crispy. And the look mum's actually nice. I've never had this wrap thing though.
I've never had this type of bang sale.
Yeah, it's nice though. Very good. We've never had that bang sale before and it was actually really nice. Would highly recommend.
We made it back in one piece. Oh.
Come on! Wow, that uphill just killed me.
That was just killing me off.
I know it's saying that's what I just said.
Days.
Oh, we're back at the Buffalo Hostel. Oh my gosh, that has killed me.